let's look at the booking management page. This is your digital reservation book, a centralized list where you can view, filter, and manage every reservation your restaurant receives. The main view gives you all the essential details at a glance. You can see the customer's contact information, the requested date and time, the party size, and their assigned table. You'll also see any special requests, like dietary restrictions or seating preferences, right here in the row. To keep things organized, use the filter tabs at the top. You can quickly toggle between pending requests, confirmed reservations, currently seated guests, or review canceled and completed bookings. This helps your host stand focused only on what's happening right now. The Actions column is where you manage the guest lifecycle using these intuitive icons. For pending bookings, click the green checkmark to confirm the reservation. Once a guest arrives, find their confirmed booking and click the blue seated icon. This does two things. It updates the booking status to seated, and it automatically marks their assigned table as occupied in your system. If a confirmed guest doesn't arrive, you can mark them as a no-show using the yellow icon. And of course, you can cancel a booking with the red X or delete it entirely using the trash can icon. Finally, if you need to share your reservation list or analyze data offline, click the Export button to download a CSV file containing all booking details, including phone numbers and special requests. Use the Refresh button anytime to ensure you're seeing the very latest updates. With booking management, you have total control over your guest list, ensuring a smooth service from start to finish.